I want to share something really cool with you. Okay. This is Aaron. He is incredible. He's a member of our team. He helps us with growth strategies. He helps with product development. He's incredible. We've been friends for a few years. I've known his wife, Christy, forever. And he actually was one of our panelists at our event last October. He did a presentation at an in-person workshop that we did that blew my mind and has completely changed the way I'm doing something. And so I'm like, well, if it's changing the way I'm doing something, I need to share it with all of you guys. And so he did a massive presentation on how he's getting thousands of followers with trial reels. And he broke down everything. And I learned a lot. And I immediately started publishing trial reels myself. And I've been getting followers from every single trial reel that we've been putting out. It's been awesome. So what I want to do, though, is I want to share with you what some of the slides that he shared with us. So let me go into, let's see here. How do I do this? Present. Okay. So basically what Aaron did here is he showed us in the presentation, and mind you, I'm sitting in the audience of my own workshop taking notes because I had never done trial reels at all. And so he did the math on trial reels for his Instagram account. So he posted 28 regular reels, 74 trial reels. Now, I'll talk about it in a little bit, but he talks about how to publish trial reels in 5 minutes a day with content you've already created. So when you see 74 trial reels, don't panic and think he created 74 new trial reels. He did not. So this is what he shared. He got 800,000 views from his regular reels, 6,000 comments, and 2,000 new followers. From the trial reels, he got almost double the views, about the same amount of comments, and almost double the followers. So with trial reels, with content he's already created, he doubled the amount of followers he got. Now here's where it gets interesting. He basically gets about an extra 50 followers per new trial reel. So every new trial reel that he posts, he gets about 50 new followers. So he does 5 a day. He gets hundreds of new Instagram followers every single day from trial reels with content that he's already making. And so he did some math on like if he had posted 5 trial reels a day. Oh, I guess, yeah, because he only posted, I think, 3 trial reels a day. And now he's stepping it up to 5 trial reels a day. That's right. I'm remembering now. And then he did the math. This is what I want to show you because he did the math for my account. And this is what I want to share with you guys. And then I want to basically talk a little bit about he has 3 strategies for using trial reels. And I want to tell you what they are so you can do them too because I'm absolutely mind blown. So he's been trying to get me to do trial reels for a long time. So he was teasing me a little bit. And then he shares, basically, I was at like 600,000 something at the time. So he looked at my last 30 reels. And basically, I'm going to kind of go over fast. But basically, he did the math and said I would have gotten 2,400 new followers just from regular reels. Oh, from trial reels. Hold on. I'm just going to try not to get too bogged down. Basically, for every 1 follower I get in regular reels, I get about the same in trial reels. It's a lot of math, so I'm going to skip that over. But essentially, what he's saying is that I could get double the followers I'm getting every single month and at least another 4 million views from trial reels. So doubling my followers, doubling my views, essentially, about adding 30% more views. And he made a good point, which I hadn't even considered, which is I monetize super well. And so I have a strong opportunity to make a bunch of money, right? If I get 4 million views, I turn that into tens of thousands, if not an extra 100. I'll say tens of, like I would turn another 4 million views into like at least $50,000, if not more on the conservative. I like to be conservative with my numbers. So I'm going to tell you the 3 strategies that he taught me. I took super good notes so that you can do this because I used his strategies, and I'm getting new followers from every single trial reel I've been doing. So strategy number 1 is reposting old reels. So literally just straight up reposting your old reels. He has a way that he does it though that's really clever. It helps you get more views basically. So reposting old reels, repost reels that you are currently posting in your main feed to your trial feed. So if you're posting reels to Instagram, simultaneously, they should be posted to your trial feed. And then slightly tweaking current reels. So he goes over that. And then he also goes over what to do. Like if you don't, some newer accounts don't have trial reels yet, and he tells you what to do for that. So what I did is I convinced him to make like a little mini course on trial reels, basically fleshing out and providing step-by-step tutorials on everything he went over in the in-person workshop that we did. And so what was perfect timing is the same week we launched this little mini course, Instagram made a big change and now they're boosting trial reels even more. And so he goes over that in his little mini course. He tells the exact trial reel strategies he uses. It's like step-by-step tutorials, so you can just step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And then he teaches you how to do trial reels without hours of extra work. He spends about 5 minutes a day posting it, and I timed it. It's exactly 5 minutes. I did 2 trial reels, took me 10 minutes. And again, I was a newbie. I didn't even know where to go to find the trial reels, so I didn't know what I was doing at all, but it's fast. He's right. The way he does it, it is very fast. He teaches you how to figure out how many trial reels you should post every single day. He goes over his actual trial reels and what does really well. And then what I think he does a really good job of is helping you understand what an opportunity trial reels are right now. I haven't seen growth like this, extremely explosive growth, since I was like 2016 growing my Facebook group, or like, do you remember when Facebook pages were growing really fast? That's kind of what's happening right now with trial reels. So I'm gonna put a link in the description. It's totally optional. You don't need to do it. Maybe for you, the takeaway is, gosh, I should just start doing trial reels. I'm really missing out. But if you want, I would highly recommend you get your hands on Aaron's mini course. It's not super expensive at all. And for what you're getting, which is a massive explosion of growth from trial reels, from very easy content. Aaron is, Mark Twain says, like, if you want it done well, get a lazy person to do it. And Aaron's not lazy, but he's efficient. And so highly recommend it. Check it out in the description. I'll see you there. Either way, I am publishing trial reels like a maniac, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because, you know, anytime I find a new strategy, I'm like, gotta share it with you guys. So trial reels, baby. I was sleeping on them for a long time, but I'm not sleeping on them anymore. Oh my gosh.